Ladies and gentlemen, Kyle is going to impersonate me as
Your
Mama. Mommy, go.
So wait.
What's that for?
Oh, sorry, Calby. Sorry, Chico. Let me brush my teeth now.
Hi, I'm Kahil. When I am just lying on the bed with my mom, I do this. You farted, Mom. Yet it's you who farted.
No.
Yes.
No.
Wait. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. So, the rule of the game, if you lose, someone, he or she is going to tickle him, but only for one time. Any part of the body.
Oh
That's painful.
This is the commercial break. Guess who's back? Back again. Shady's back with a friend. Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Whoa! Oh. Smack that. And hit the floor, smack that. Give me some more, smack that. Till it gets sore, smack that. Oh.
Dumating na yung kapatid ko, guys, after 5 years from Mount Apo Peak.
Dapat 1 p.m. balik na kami guys, 1:30. Okay naman.
Okay naman.
Balik naman ako, 30 minutes.
Malapit na ako mag-alala, sunduin na sana kita.
What's important is that I'm safe,
Yes.
no injuries at
No
all.
injuries. Gutom lang.
Grabe.
Kain na.
Gutom at uhaw.
Kain muna, mamaya na tayo mag-chika bells. Iniwan ka ni ni Parts eh.
Gigyan man ako siya.
Ah,
Sinabihan
okay.
ko si Pads na mauna na kasi mahina ako. Tanggap
Weak.
ko yun.
Sige, kain ka muna, mamaya na tayo mag-chikahan. Pero kamusta ang experience mo?
Hindi na kumusap.
Oh my. Sabi mo lang yan, tanongin kita ulit in 5 months ha. Pero nakakuha ka ng magandang picture sa clearing. Wow, very good.
Magandang clearing sa taas guys.
Oh, mamaya chikahan mo ako ng experience. Bakit may mga dumi ka sa kamay? Kumamang ka ba?
Slide.
Kamang mode?
Slide kayo,
What?
basa ang trail.
Kamang mode yan. Kamusta naman yung ala Spider-Man dito na side?
Yung mga monkeys.
Yung pababa, yung pababa na trail.
Kapit lang guys.
Kapit lang tayo.
Parang buhay lang talaga.
Yes, parang relasyon lang yan, bro. Kapit ka lang kahit may hirap.
buti dahil may mga roots.
May mga ugat.
Ugat.
Very good ah.
Malalaking ugat.
Sa boulder, hindi ka naman natakot.
Pababa. Malakag mamatay.
Oh
Para
my
ka
gosh.
mamamatay guys, pababa.
Yan,
Kasi
totoong review yan. I-recommend mo ba?
for someone who is strong-minded and physically able, go for it. But for those na hindi physically able and weak mentally, wag na kayong pumunta guys.
Kasi baka mamaya magligid-ligid kayo guys.
Not to sugarcoat, maraming nag-give up.
Marami talaga, sure ba?
Maraming nag-give up.
Saan lang sila hanggang?
Different stations.
Sige, kain ka muna. May pagkain na dun sa kitchen. Sabi. Guys, may dala daw si Tito Toto ni
I have
Kahil.
something for Kahil.
Na nakuha niya sa... Saan mo nakuha?
Sa Boulder.
Wow. On your way to the summit.
No, on my way back.
On your way
Kasi
back.
nagstay muna kami sa Boulder.
Is that what they call the berries of Mount Apo?
Yes, wild berries
Well, let me
because
see.
it can grow anywhere.
And it's ripe? Guys,
When it's
look.
ripe, it tastes like lumboy. If you know lumboy.
Okay, Kyle don't know lumboy, so he's gonna have to try this. Alright, anak.
Pag ganito naman yung nakain mo, lasa siyang bayabas.
Oh,
Kasi
really?
hilaw pa.
Okay, Kyle, try.
Tigas.
But it's edible, right?
Yeah, very edible.
Baka mamaya malason yung anak ko dito, ha?
Dahil I lack water. This is what I did.
He was
I ate
out
some.
of water.
Because there's a little juice that can, help my tongue dehydrate.
Sarap.
It's for free, guys. Pero konti lang. Sabi ko for Pareño family.
Maubusan daw talaga ng tubig.
Sabi ko for Pareño family.
Oh,
So,
yes.
Madam Bibi,
One
Madam
each.
Wiwi,
Ah.
Madam Sheena.
Oh, they will love that. That's a very nice pasalubong, guys, oh. Kasi nakasamit yung kapatid ko, narating niya yung peak. So, ngayon ay tagbunga ng wild berries sa taas. Ito yung isa sa mga minimerienda at pampa-survival ng mga umaakyat at nauubusan ng tubig.
Pag naubusan ko ng tubig.
Where is it? Something fell?
Magpaparinig ka lang guys na wala ka ng tubig. Tapos wait ka na may offer. Buti nga may nag-offer ng
Naubusan. Saan ka ba na naubusan?
sa Boulders. May nag-offer.
Papunta pa lang, pabalik na.
Pabalik. Kasi pagbaba ko from the summit, merong isang babae muntik na mahimatay.
Limited edition.
Taga siya ng water.
Pero by kay sama siya, wala. Siya lang mag-isa.
Mag-isa.
Ah,
I think naiwan yung mga kasama niya or nasa taas pa.
To find more so I can eat it at home.
So,
anak, it's up there. That's why Tito Marlon was saying today, if Kahil would have reached that part, he would have enjoyed picking the wild berries.
yeah.
Okay lang. At least you tried. Was it nice? What's the taste?
A bit sour.
Like a berry?
This is wild one.
I liked it.
But you did well. We have photos together with the sunrise. May pictures din kami on the sunrise. Nag-video ka sa Boulder? Parts?
May video ko sa Boulder.
Part. Okay.
May video po sa Boulder.
May video ka sa Boulder na
Ako, solo.
daytime?
Siya
Kasi
na,
wala
pero
ako.
wala.
Wala akong video sa Boulder ng daytime, 'di ba? Kasi dark pa kami lumabas. Ay,
Pero film ako
bumalik.
na-include ko sa video.
Saan na video?
Pero dili siya intentionally for me, like nag-request ko, wala ko nag-request.
Kaninang video?
Video for your vlogging.
Which one? The one that kinuha ni Parts?
Oo.
Okay, sige. Check ko mamaya.
For me, mga reels.
Okay, sige, good.
But puro mukha ko.
Pero congratulations ulit. You deserve the t-shirt.
Yeah. Sabi ko talaga kay Madam Ten Gibbs, guys, kasi may signal sa taas, mag-prepare ng buko na may gatas tsaka mango float.
Wow.
Tapos sabi niya, punta daw kami kay Madam Toots.
Kung maka-demand ka naman, akala ko may pinatagong pera ka. Patingin ang t-shirt mo. Mount Apo, wow, naka 2,956 meters above sea level ka dong. Oh, good job yan. Yan.
The highest
Dahil
summit
good
in the
job ka,
Philippines.
ililibre mo kami ng complete package ng spa and massage, hot stone and ventosa.
Sabi ko, libre.
Hindi,
Guys,
ikaw man
mag-subscribe
mag-celebrate.
kayo, guys.
Ikaw man mag-celebrate, ikaw maglibre.
Parang dagdag sakit sa katawan yung mangyayari, guys.
Sino, pahinga ka na. Guys, time check natin. What time is it, Kahil? Kahil, what time is it, please?
Time check. Let me check.
Faster lang.
I'm checking. Quick. What? I cannot. Hold on. Okay, 2:06.
Time check, 2:00 guys. And finally, nakabalik na successfully si Parts at ang aking kapatid. Alhamdulillah. Simula na akong kinabahan guys kasi si Parts nauna nang dumating parang 2 hours ahead. Tapos ang kapatid ko dumating lang. Kadarating niya lang talaga. But para na po siyang mamamatay. So, hindi masyadong maganda yung review niya. Pagod na pagod daw talaga siya. Pero tingnan natin in the next few days. Baka magbago yung isip niya. Pero right now, no talking daw muna kami guys kasi pagod daw talaga siya. Pagkatapos niya akong chismisan ng sandamakmak na naganap dun sa Boulder at saka sa summit. Pero napaka-proud ko at least 2 out of 4 ay nakapag-summit at nakaabot sila sa peak ng Mount Apo before the year ended. Aba, sana all. And kahilan ay guys, naubos yung oras namin kakalambingan. Natulog si Kuya Kahil straight 4 hours, nag-lunch and then after that, nag-chika bells kami, naglaro kaming dalawa and right now, he's just on my phone kahit walang signal. Nanonood siya ng mga videos and photos ng mga kapatid niya. And ako naman nagpapahinga lang, tamang pahinga lang kasi wala naman tayong magagawa. Ito yung time na talagang nagkakaroon ka ng detox from the social media world. Kasi wala nang signal pero kakakanina parang ikutin ko na yung buong campsite guys, kakahanap ng signal para ma-message ko lang yung kapatid ko na hindi kami nakapag-summit. Pero anyway, mataas pa yung oras. We are not leaving Mount Apo until tomorrow around before lunchtime. Bababa na kami and we will head back to Jensen na and that will end our Mount Apo diaries, you guys. Of course, hindi pa tapos yung aming experience dito sa Tinikaran Camp number 1. Marami pang pwedeng mangyari from 2 p.m. to lights off mamaya 8:00. And pagkagising namin sa umaga, pagbalik namin below, we are still hoping and praying that everything will go smooth and peaceful and of course safe. Ayun. So I'll keep you guys posted on this episode. Ayan si Kuya Kahil. Dinalan siya ng ano ko guys, ng kapatid ko, very sweet. Nagdala ang kapatid ko ng mga wild berries from the boulders of Mount Apo. Very nice souvenir. Kasi wala namang binibentang souvenir doon. So, you are allowed to pick the berries if they are ready. Other than that, dinidiscourage nilang magdala ka ng halaman na itatanim mo sa bahay mo, magdala ng sulfur rock. Pero yung wild berries, pinapayagan nila para matikman naman ng mga umaakyat. Pero madami ako natutunan today when it comes to hiking Mount Apo. Kasi maraming dumaan dito kanina at dahil tulog si Kahil, ako'y nakipagmaritesan sa kanila. At meron akong mga natutunan. So, ichichika ko rin yan sa inyo guys. Mamaya. Hindi din pala basta-basta no. Kasi hindi lang pala, akala ko kasi dati, misconception ko, lahat ng umaakyat sa Mount Apo, successful nilang naabot yung summit or yung peak. Hindi pala guys. So mamaya sasabihin ko sa inyo kung ano yung natutunan ko sa ibang mga hiker. If you are into this kind of episode at kayo ay may planong mag-hike ng bundok. Kasi ito parang hindi to bundok guys eh. Parang movie lang. Parang sa movie ko lang nakikita yung ganito kahirap na akyatan. Pero anyway, I'll see you on today's episode. Okay, Kahil, now you have recovered from your hike. I want to ask, what happened? What happened?
The white woman came after us. I was super tired, okay? I had a headache.
And you tried? Did you try?
Yeah, I tried very hard.
And how hard did you try? 1 to 10?
9.9999.
You tried that hard.
Yes.
What made you give up though?
Headache and stomach ache.
You got stomach ache too?
Yeah, the cold stomach ache from the cold.
But was the attempt, did you learn anything from at least trying?
Yeah,
What did you learn?
I learned that I shouldn't try it unless I am actually ready with my body.
Mm-hmm.
And
From the
I should punish myself for not doing.
No, you don't have to. What did you learn from the hike from the ground to the camp? Because you at least finished the one to the camp, which is 5 hours. What did you learn from that?
I learned to never give up. But
No, on the way, what did you see things? Did you learn things? Did you
Yeah.
notice things from
I
people?
learned that dogs don't like to eat chocolate, and I also learned that you should bide your step because at some point you're gonna slip and then hurt yourself.
But is the experience made you stronger?
Kinda
Mentally or physically?
physically.
How about emotionally?
Emotionally, I'm not that bad emotionally. I'm emotionally strong.
But would you do this again?
I would swim across a lake. I think I would do that. Except I wouldn't do this. I would.
Mountain hike? You won't do mountain hike anymore? Even for simple ones?
Yes.
Really?
I can climb the ant hill, but I won't climb anything else.
But at least you and I spend time in this tent together.
Your.
What's your?
Yes, yours.
So what are you gonna tell your dad?
I love you, Dad. And I hope you're proud of me for doing this hike and trying my best. And I hope you don't get mad about I'm 45 kg.
Of course, he's not gonna be disappointed at you, I'm sure. I'll send him a message and see what he says.
Send him, put the video
Pictures.
link. Put the video link, the YouTube video link on.
Okay.
Send him.
Maybe the video where you were being carried like a baby boy.
I was injured, okay?
You're injured? Where? Here?
Yeah, here
And here?
and here.
Well, is the weather okay? Was it too cold for you?
Cold? Nah, it wasn't.
How about the camping experience though? It's fun, right?
Yeah, I like sleeping in tents. It's
Me
fun.
too, it's fun. How about sleeping without internet? You're okay?
I mean,
Don't laugh. I know you.
I
Naka-recover na siya guys. Fully rested na. Kaya ganyan na siya kaloko-loko.
I'm not fully rested. I need more internet.
Your face is so buang. So buang. Fully rested na siya. So hindi ko na siya pinapatulog para mamayang gabi. Kasi right now it is, what's the time right now? It's, what's the time? 3:40 p.m. So I'm gonna put him to bed. Ask him to sleep around 8 p.m. after dinner. Tingnan nyo, did you change my wallpaper?
Where?
Who is this Poncho Pilato? Who's that?
I don't know.
That's Kahil when you were 4 years old, I think. Look, it's really your face. And let me see. Tara, Kyle. Punta kami ni Kyle sa bang house, guys. Bang house meaning kitchen. Cover your head properly, love. Kukuha kami ng mainit-init pa na kakanin, ginawa ng aming organizer. At kami magtitimpla ng kokwa at kape. Kasi dito, serve yourself. So, Kahil will serve himself. No, mommy. Let's go. No, it's okay. You have a beanie on. Fix your shirt, please. Then, fix your beanie. Tara, dali na. Faster. Punta tayo sa kusina, guys. Turo namin sa inyo yung kusina namin during daytime. Dito tayo. Kyle, dito. Follow, mama. Careful. Dahan-dahan ka lang kay madulas. Tulog kasi si Parts tsaka si Kuya, yung kapatid ko, Kuya Toto. Kapatid ko siya, guys, ikapitong kapatid ko. Pero Kuya yung tawag ko para ma-practice yung mga anak ko. Tsaka yung mga kapatid ko mag-Kuya. Who's that? Nakagyod. Naamoy na mo. Wow. Homemade biko? From Team Papang.
Campmade dito. Campmade.
Wow! Grabe, hindi talaga kahit inaantok ako, babangon ako para sa biko.
Pero ma'am, wala lagi may init pagkape ma'am.
Ay, wala pa din.
Init pa may
Ah, si wala to lang na mo. Dali lang man na. Di man kailangan pabukalon.
Ay, sige lang. Aw, kana o, pwede.
Kyle, you know what you're making for dinner? Bulalo.
What is that?
It's beef. Beef soup. Very nice. Hi, welcome back.
Gani, ma'am.
Corn, mamaya na. Magluto si Tito Marlon. Oh. Ito yung biko.
Camp Biko lagi.
Camp biko.
Rice cake looks so yummy.
Yeah.
Is that coconut?
Grabe no, nakabiko pa mo ha.
Oo, ma'am.
Mga
Pang-iwanog lubi, ma'am. Lagi.
gani, very complicated.
Ito ma'am.
Complicated recipe sa ano.
Nagkagod pa kayo yung tao ng lubi, ma'am.
Ano ko itan mit unggoy? Ay, sorry. Ko itan mit unggoy pangkuan. Sakol paon sa tutong kan gol. Manapol.
Ay. Excuse anak. You hold this one. We are going to wait for the hot water muna. Dito kami nag-dinner kagabi when I brought food for you.
Oh, that knife is cool.
Upo ka anak, mag-wait tayo sa hot water.
Yummy.
Butter man yan. Ano pa ba tayo? Butter?
Wow, sarap.
Sobrang hapon.
Grabe oh, tabi talaga sa kusina oh.
How did they make that?
Kain agad no, tulog agad. Wow. Kompleto na imong team? Nakabalik na. Pila? Kabuok? Onom? 5 na lang? Asan sila banda? Hinay-hinay lang. May natira pang kasamahan namin guys. 5 pa sila. Time check ngayon alas 3 na. Sweeper. Okay. 4 p.m. na? Grabe.
We're going at 4?
No, there's still people left there hiking back to the camp. 5 of them plus the sweeper. Hingi tayo ng mainit na tubig anak ha. Pang Milo mo.
Are they making eggs?
Wala itong butter gabi gol.
Po?
Wala na.
No, eggs is for breakfast man.
Gila, wala na daw kol.
Sarap ng biko guys. Ay, sorry po. Akala nyo kapag nagka-camping, nagha-hiking, ang ulam namin itlog lang palagi. Ay,
Daw sardina.
Wait, we forgot to bring the... Oh.
kagabi ang ulam namin, ang dami guys. Tinolang manok, merong bihon. Kanina adobong manok. Sa breakfast may ham, hotdog and egg. Tapos ngayon meron kaming biko. At saka adobo, bulalo pala.
Tama rin, bulalo, kaldereta.
Sarap yan. Wow. Yung mga ano pala namin, mga lead pack at mid pack namin, mga cook. Ugma?
Awat na nga. Anya.
Unya nga bilang git.
Sabay na ko boneless.
Nice. Grabe, bawal pahinga sa inyo. After hike, luto. Yan talaga ang life. Nice. So, huwag kayong mag-alala guys. Baka iniisip nyo magugutuman kayo pag nag-hiking kayo ng Mount Apo. Hindi man, mamamatay lang kayo sa boulder. Mamamatay lang kayo sa boulder, mabubuhay kayo ulit pag nakakain kayo. Umiikot kami ni Kahil kasi kinukunan ko siya ng picture para ipakita niya sa papa niya. Pag nagtawag ng video call yung tatay, guys, makikimarites yun kay Kahil. Ang hirap mag-imagine. So, padala natin ng picture. Kung ano yung itsura ng kusina, ng tubig, saan kumukuha ng tubig, anong itsura ng tent ni Kahil. Yeah. Dito ka sa may kusina. Kasi natutuwa yung tatay ni Kahil pag maraming kwento si Kuya Kahil. Pero mas maganda ang kwentuhan pag merong visual aid. Teacher talaga ako, guys. Dito ka. Okay, finally guys. Ang dami naming gutom. Tingnan nyo ang aming dinner for tonight. Time check natin alas 7. Alas 7 pa. Oh, tama. Alas 7:30. Oh, saan kayo nakakita? Oh, from Cebu to Mount Apo. Oh, dagkit. Meron kaming chicken apritada at meron kaming bulalo. Yummy. Masarap, Kahil? Sabihin mo, masarap po. Masarap.
Biko na to dia.
Ah, you like that one? Apritada?
Baka anak ko, alamin ang mabuntag guys. Wala ginahaponan yun eh.
Wala na hapunan?
Wala nga.
Lami oh.
Gabinan.
Na mo to'y lumay.
Ay.
Nalumayan tanan. Oh, Kahil wanted to eat corn.
Wala ang tawagay naman.
So, andito kami, guys.
Nagkuhan na lumay.
Ya, dali aya. Transfer tag 10 3 banda. Okay.
Kada pangihi pa manawag og guide. Dali, tayo mo dali.
Pag dili mo mukuyog, bawi mi sa review.
Dako na dai. Dako na.
Kahil busog ka?
Kuya B.
Kahil 6 a.m. na, it's call time. Kahil, time to go back to the city. Come na, you said you wanted to go back. Maayong buntag from Tinikaran Camp number 1. Time check, alas 6 ng umaga and we are already up para mag-impake na. At this is our last day, day 3 here at Tinikaran Camp, Mount Apo. Time to go back to Jensen, you guys. So first things first, alas 6 ng umaga is to clean up all our things, pack our stuff, make sure everyone's ready. Kahil is there. Pinahugas ko na siya, guys. Sobrang lamig po ng tubig, parang may ice. And then breakfast. Saka we will start our 3-hour possibly hike down sa bundok to Purok Kolan. And then from Kolan, bababa ulit kami para sa aming van. Here. So, that's okay. Here. Put on the jacket muna kayo.
Go wash my hand first.
Slowly.
Yatag yung jacket yung manglimpyan ako. Ang kapatid ko, guys, oh, gising na siya. Nanigas ba yung katawan mo? Nanigas ba yung bagtak mo?
Sobrang tigas, guys.
Anong nangyari sa pag ano mo after, anong tawag mo dyan? Side effect. Anong side effect ng Mount Apo?
Kasi Tagalog sa pamaol eh.
Pamaol. Yan mo na. Hindi ko alam, guys, anong Tagalog ng pamaol.
Sakit at kirot sa katawan, guys.
Sakit at kirot. Alaksan forte.
Open.
Up, the jacket. You wear that one because this one is a little bit thinner. That one is thicker. And it's quite cold. Cover your head as well. Ayan si Kahil, guys. Tabi ka nga kay Kahil para makita natin yung difference ng itsura. Char! Itsura pala or height.
The Asian.
Ikaw ang bumaba.
The Asian and the African.
Asian, ayan.
African elephant.
The Asian, African, and Chihuahua.
Chihuahua Asian.
So they are now preparing to have warm breakfast. Ako naman ay maglilinis muna guys. Dahil kailangan ko muna ipak itong aming mga personal belongingness. Alright, simulan na. So tingnan nyo guys kung gaano po ka-importante na may cover ang mga tent. Ayan, not unless talagang sobrang ganda ng tent ninyo at waterproof. Pero kapag hindi, maganda na meron kayong tarapal. Mura lang po ito, nasa 50 pesos yung metro. Pero at least, it saves you from soaking tent. Kasi pag basa yung tent, talagang napaka uncomfortable ng tulog ninyo at saka mababasa yung gamit ninyo. So these are extra accessories to make sure na at least makapagpahinga tayo ng maayos. And congratulations, by the way, I had a really good sleep finally sa last night ko dito sa Mount Apo camp namin. For the last, I believe for the last 2 days, hindi talaga ako nakatulog ng maayos, you guys. Namamahay po ang aking puwet. Hirap na hirap po ako matulog and I really prayed last night na makatulog ako ng maayos and I got it. I got 8 hours of sleep. Nagising ako around 2 o'clock kasi merong mga nag-day hike na dito talaga dumadaan. So, walang ibang choices kasi andito lang yung water source. They have to fill their water before the boulder and the peak. Kasi doon talaga guys, kailangan ng water and 2 liters is not even enough. Pero most people bring 2 liters. Pagdating nila sa boulder or sa peak, wala na po silang tubig. So may mga nangyari kahapon na naubusan ng tubig, may nahimatay, pero all is well naman. Kasi you know, Pilipino nagbibigayan, nagtutulungan.
Look at the food. It's so scrumptious.
Scrumptious?
Scrumptious.
Come, show us what we have for breakfast.
So we
This
have
is for
some
Team Papa.
Yes. So we have some chicken nuggets and some chicken spam.
Time check
That's
guys
just
before 7.
juicy,
Properly
Sasha.
please, go. Show us what we have for breakfast. Sige na.
We have chicken nuggets. We have chicken.
I can't see it. You have to go closer so I can show. Okay, what do you have? Tapa? That's tapa, anak. Right? Beef tapa.
Chicken nuggets, chicken spam, papa, and
Tapa.
sausage.
Tapa and sausages.
All of it is chicken nuggets.
Good morning. Mayong bungkag, guys.
Good morning.
Bungkag na bang tanan? Good morning. Wow, karo ba?
Kumusta ang tulog? Huwag na noktok.
Alam niya sa mong tulog, oy. Mas lamig din ang tulog kung hadlok.
Basawa din minangadto pa.
Tingnan lang ko, pag matanaw, kaya abrin na itong zipper sa kung pan ba? Itong mga ano itong mandala. Abrin naman eh.
Yan ang breakfast natin, guys. Meron tayong beef tapa, spam, meron tayong chicken nuggets, sausages, and ampalaya. O yun, perfect. May gulay tayo for this morning. So, ready na ang almost ready by the way. Excited lang umuwi pag sabi ng gising alas 6 naka-impake na ang lahat. But Kahil is also there. Have you recovered?
Scrumptiousness.
Have you recovered?
Yes.
Did you have fun? With which part is your favorite?
My favorite part, food.
Food? How about the camping?
Favorite part of camping, food.
Kyle! But do you like this kind of weather? It's quite cold.
No. I like more weather. You know, like going to the Bahamas and putting those.
Like the
those-
beach? You like the
Yeah, and
beach
then you
better?
put those hanging things and then
Oh, I promise to take you to the beach. I will ask Tito
and
Parts.
then drink coconut.
Tito Parts said yes.
My number 1 hero.
Who?
Me.
Joking.
You and Tito and Tito Parts and Auntie and Dad and Ma and Dad and Mom and Dad and Mom.
Dito ka pika sa likod. Makita ang fan. You know, if you remove your beanie, they will be shocked with the size of your head. Size of your head or size of your hair? Try to remove it.
3, 2, 1, go.
They will think that it's a big siopaw.
Show pow, show my.
Siopaw,
I know, he's going for a braid. Auntie Christine is going to braid his hair, right?
I want to see it braided, Kahil.
Yeah, that's why. Wedzi.
My little hamburger.
So dito ka mag-sleep sa imuha today and then tomorrow.
Mommy, Kyle is as tall as Mama.
No, you're just standing in the wrong.
So what? I'm taller than
Yeah,
you?
you're still tall.
A little bit. So when you come back for summer,
I'll be
but
up.
I can still carry you. Let me try.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Yes.
Ay, mabigat ka na, anak.
Mabigat
Guys,
means
this is Kahil at
heavy.
11 years old. Higher Kahil.
I'm 43 kg. And she's carrying me. I can also
This is
carry
Kahil at 11 years old. Ako ay 35 years old. Weighing 55 kilograms. Si Kahil 44.
43.
43 kilograms pala. Ang bigat ng lubot mo,
You
anak.
want me to carry
You
you?
know what is lubot?
What?
Puwet.
What's quit? Heavy?
You want to carry me?
Yeah.
Let me try.
What?
Vice versa.
I can create. They give me for free.
Yeah, ma'am.
That's longanisa.
What is it?
Do you know why it's called longanisa? Because it's long.
Oh, mama. It's cold.
It's spicy.
It's not spicy.
It's got a little kick to it.
You know, Kahil, when you're in your
A little what?
when you're in your 20s, your mommy is still young.
Not yet.
Like 45.
Yeah, it's like your barkada.
That's why I wanted to make a lot of kahil when I was younger.
That would be 55.
Na-excite si Kahil, guys. So, waiting for breakfast. Meron siyang nakita. Actually, gutom na siya. So, nag-aantay na siya malapit sa mesa. Yan yun, guys. Oh, proud na proud. What do you want to show me? Ah, wow, galing ah. Sabihin mo, anak, galing ah.
Galing ah. What's a Gangnam style?
Alright guys, alas 8 pasado na and we are now almost done sa aming packing going back sa Colan kung saan I believe maabutan na kami ng lunch, and then from there we are going to finish our hike to the parking lot. So dun na mag-e-end yung aming overall Mount Apo hiking experience. So I wanted to share with you guys lahat ng mga natutunan ko about this hiking. So I'm not an expert. This is the first hike that I have attempted in my life when it comes sa mga bundok. I did Lake Holon. That was for me, kung tatanungin niyo ako, it's good for beginners. This one, however, is, I would say it's okay for beginners, but it takes a lot of mindset, a lot of physical prep. Dapat talaga ready ka. Hindi lang pwede yung mind mo na, hindi pwedeng ang mind mo lang ang ready. Dapat ready din yung katawan mo. Kasi this experience, guys, grabe talaga siya. And it's just coming from me na nakatapos halfway. So mamaya, I will make another episode with my brother who successfully reached the peak of Mount Apo, and we will hear it from him directly tungkol sa kanyang experience overall, together with photos and videos, you guys. Kasi yung kapatid ko talaga, yung nakabalik na siya dito sa camping area namin, he was about to fall. Ganun daw siya kapagod. Pero ngayon naka-recover na siya. He's actually feeling a lot better now that he's rested. Pero ngayon ko lang naintindihan yung mga terms na day hike, 3 days, 2 nights. Kasi for us, we came here on a 3 days, 2 nights package. Basically, we attempted to summit Mount Apo with 3 days. Okay lang, broken naman siya. Baka may magamit lang ba. Thank you. We attempted to hike Mount Apo and reach the peak for 3 days and 2 nights para enough, actually more than enough yung rest or tsaka recovery ng katawan. Pero for those who are really guys, yung mga talagang arisgada or yung talagang galit na galit sa mundo at ginagawa nilang 1 day hike, I'm really amazed. I'm really amazed, you guys. I don't know. What can you say about those people who actually did the whole hike to the summit for 1 day only?
They are superheroes.
Yeah, they're not human. Kasi guys, sobra. Ang halfway pa lang from Colan up to dito sa may Tinikaran campsite, that's already a lot of... You see? No, it's okay. Go ahead. What else do you need? Balon nga? Nana? Okay. Nana man di ay. Alis na kami guys ng Tinikaran campsite. Time check. 8:30 ng umaga. Let's go, let's go! Tingnan natin kung gaano tayo katagal ngayon sa pababa natin from Camp 1 to Colan. Tara. Ooh, the pace is fast. Kahil. Pace is fast.
My pace is slow. This is the slowest I've ever gone. This bag.
There, oh.
Can't tighten itself. This one.
Very hot.
Okay, much better.
Sana'y pag-ibig. Let me go first.
Stand behind them.
Do you see the orange ribbon?
Tito.
Down.
No, Tito.
He's following us. Be careful this side. Don't jump, love. You're gonna hurt your knees. Oh, the sound of the creepy.
Oh, where's Tito?
Di rin ako nakasalubong ang fog. I believe. Is the going down easier, Kahil? Faster? Yeah, you're not even stopping anymore. Sanay. Look where you're going still. Marunong na siya, guys. Madali na siya nag-grab kung saan siya dapat mag-grab. Pag medyo malalim, nakaupo na siya, ginagamit yung puwet niya. Oh. What's up? Sana'y pag-ibig. Alright, we are 1/3 done. Tapos na kami 1/3 guys, going downhill. Downhill, down the mountain pala. Kyle, yeah, please.
Don't drink too much. You'll get cramps in your stomach.
Okay. You learned. You learned? Mag-take photo ka sa big rock. The big rock and the big wood. Wala pa, we're waiting for Tito Toto. You call your uncle Toto.
Totos!
Toto.
Totos!
For no rin katawa akong anak sa imo hawa. Wow! Sa wakas guys, dumating din ang kapatid ko. I know.
Why did you're going down? It's so Wait till we get to the river. I want to go to the river, right?
Isa din to sa pinakamahirap guys on our way up. Ayun pang kapatid ko sa pinakamataas kasi masakit yung tuhod niya from yesterday's summit. At dito sobrang dulas talaga ng lupa. At medyo malalayo yung mga gagawin mong steps. So you have to be really careful. Layo niya pa oh. Take the what? But I'm taking. Kahil? You okay? Oh, the fog.
What fog?
Look up.
Oh.
2 hours after namin guys iwan ang aming camping area. Basically, it's a lot better kapag pababa na ng bundok kasi diretso-diretso kami. Hindi kami humihinto pero yun lang, ang sakit sa tuhod. So what's the difference? Aray. What's the difference? Pag paakyat talaga ang dami mong energy na kailangan. Kasi bukod sa mahirap siya dahil mag-exert ka ng effort para hilahin yung sarili mo pataas, the oxygen is also getting thinner. So nakikita mo talaga yung part at point na talagang hingal ka na at naghahanap ka na ng hangin. Pero downhill, faster, a bit, I don't know, easier. Same trail yung dinaanan namin. So kung gaano katarik pa akyat, sobrang dulas naman pabalik. So we have to be careful with that one as well. Kasi yung iba, bato yung babagsakan mo kahit na maraming lupa, maraming puno, maraming ugat. Then, another thing is sobrang sakit po sa tuhod. Right now, I can feel the left side of my knee is already not okay. But I know it will recover. So, kasabay ko yung kapatid ko. Kahil and Parts already headed ahead. They're already ahead of us, saray ko. So, dahan-dahan lang ako guys kasi sumasakit na talaga yung aking mga tuhod. Ang hirap talaga pag senior citizen ka na. Ay, naku. Pero anyway, weather is still pleasant. Kaya, ayun yung kapatid ko, kasunod ko na. Time check right now, 10:30 ng umaga. We left the camp at 8:30. So we have been hiking for 2 hours. I'm not sure kung isang oras na lang ba natitira. Mararating na namin yung aming meet up point kung saan nandun yung registration office. Tara. Masakit na din yung tuhod niya kasi siya nakapag-summit siya kahapon. Summit hanggang sa taas, then baba na naman.
Happy New Year, everyone.
So a total of 6,000 meters, right? Going uphill.
From Camp.
Matarik. Yan oh.
Yes, ma'am.
Times 2.
Hey guys, this is the Basican E-Camp.
Where's the Basak? You point to us the Basak. Go! Okay, start.
Pig, I'm Peppa Pig.
That's why it's called. Sige, go. That's why it's called Basakan. That's Basak. It's what?
Basak.
Basak. 9 kilometers. Before? After Mount Apo Summit?
Before.
Dili manggod, Basakan, manggod, muddy paddle.
This is fun.
Huh?
Fun.
Which one? It's fun? Oh my gosh, I'm gonna wash a lot of shoes!
It's like quicksand. That's 3 times.
Una, mister. Okay. Kaupod. What is that action for? You point at the fog. Up higher, up higher. Okay. That's where you've been. Higher than those trees.
Let's see the photos. Guys, I've been there with Team Papang. We were strong, we were mighty, but we couldn't make it up there. We tried our best. We are heroes. Team Papang.
Team Papang yung no-runner. Papang. Go, you go with Tito Parts. Tito Parts was laughing at your accent. Team Papang. Ha?
Papang means
Nga ka, maligo pa mag-stream.
that's what we call our father.
Wala ka nang itagbayabas.
Papang when it's father.
Diri, oh.
Mamang when it's mother.
Oh. Okay guys, nakalabas na kami sa una. Napay bundok parts.
Isa.
May isa pang forest guys bago kami makarating sa Maycolan kung saan nandun yung aming registration area at baka doon na din kami mag-lunch. Pero this is how it looks like right now. Very foggy, very nice, very mysterious, mystical,
Entities.
magical.
Entities.
Galing oh.
Let's go.
You go.
Let's
I'm
go.
following.
I'll turn off your video.
No, I like it. Come here behind me. Okay. Thank you. Go now.
I'm waiting. Yes.
Let's go. Let's go. It's the stream next. You said you wanted to wash. Ang ganda ng weather dito sa Mount Apo. Yan you guys. Parang ang sarap ang patayo dito ng rest house. Bukas na lang ay next year pala. Sarado na yung bangko for 1 week. Nag-withdraw ng pera. Kala mo naman meron. Okay. Malapit na guys, konti na lang, malapit na. Ito talaga hindi ka iiyak. Kyle, welcome back to the Philippines. You look here. That's a nice one. You made it out alive from Mount.
The jail from the Team Papang.
It's not nice to say. Wow, grabe. Bumaba talaga yung fog hanggang dito. Pero in fairness, nasa higher ground pa kami kaya medyo foggy pa talaga siya. Pero amazing. Wow, look at that. Asa na siya? Nice. Sinundo na kami ni JJ the porter, oh. Kala niya hindi na kami makakalabas ng buhay.
Magkinta na ako dyan sa may motor.
Hindi pwede. Sige, go. Okay. Oh, gabi, ang bilis na lang pala guys talaga ng pababa, no? Kasi after naming mag-lunch, wala pa nga 15 minutes, we're already here. Kaya pala minamani na lang to ng mga lokal, yung Mount Apo. Kasi kapag papunta ka at first time mo, parang sobrang layo. Pag pabalik naman, mas mabilis at parang ang lapit. So pag na-remember mo na yung distance, parang wala na lang. Parang nag-move on ka na.
Mom, you can't even see anything in the front.
I know, it's so cool. It's amazing.
World is still loading.
So antayin na lang namin yung kapatid ko guys. Diretso na kami sa parking. And we'll see you guys more on today's episode. Hanggang makauwi kami ng Jensen. Hindi namin kayo pwedeng iwan dito. Sama-sama tayo pabalik sa General Santos City. Once again, nandito tayo sa Colan. Puro Colan ng Digos. And we did the Santa Cruz Trail for Mount Apo hike. At pababa na talaga kami ngayon guys. I believe andyan na yung kapatid ko pababa na. Maya-maya lalabas na yun dyan sa bundok. Parang parang engkanto. Wow, ang galing. Wow. Wala talaga, zero visibility. Kasi sabi ko kanina magpapalipad pa sana kami ng drone to look at Mount Apo from down here using the drone. Pero parang imposible na siya dahil nga apakakapal na ng fog. So antayin ko na lang yung kapatid ko and then see you guys later. From lunch, mga 15 minutes nandito na kami sa baba. Samantalang nung paakyat kami guys, parang 2 oras. 2 oras hanggang dun sa may stream area. Oh, ganda. Ganda ng taniman nila dito, oh, carrots. Ang ganda. Dumating kami guys, bahala kiang-kiang, basta buhay.
Guys, sinabihan ako ni ate guys sa Photoshop na yun.
Photoshop lang yun.
Tapos ganito ako maglakad eh.
Nakalawas siya ng Mount Apo, ganun maglakad kanina. Kala ko, i-admit ko na siya sa ospital.
Meron bang ganun na lakad na Photoshop editor?
Congratulations!
Thank you, Lord.
Sangyup! Sangyup!
Ano lang guys, tulog. Tulog at ligo.
Kuripot ka, Chong!
Liwat, liwat. Mana ako kay Madam Engix.
Ah, hindi kuripot si Madam Oy. Bye-bye! Okay guys, finally nakaabot na din kami sa parking lot. Ito na lang yung bagong goal namin. Yung makaabot sa parking lot kasi nga at least may naabot kami guys, kasi hindi namin naabot yung summit. Pero anyway, on our way back, meron kami nakasalubong and he gave us a very inspirational message na kapag hindi kaya, it's okay. It's okay to rest, it's okay to give up, and it means you have a second chance to go back and try again. So it's not a big deal, you guys. Ang importante, we experienced a lot of things. For me, I am very successful in bonding with my child. I spent some time with my brother, and of course, we tried to reach the peak of Mount Apo. And Boulder, guys, Boulder Face is not easy. Parang dun pa lang sa Boulder Face, parang ang sarap na talaga umatras. Pero at least we were able to reach kahit yung mga first part lang ng Boulder Face. Okay na yun, goods. Anyway, I will make a full episode regarding the summary of the whole trip, what happened from my brother's experience. And that will be another episode, you guys. Another episode for what to pack, what not to pack, and other details. Ayun, para sa mga interested, you'll see them guys on the next episode. I'll end this one. Of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press that bell button kung hindi nyo pa nagagawa para masamahan nyo kami sa kwento-kwento ng aming buhay. Maraming salamat sa lahat na nanonood. We'll see you guys on the next episode. Much love, the
Eagles.
Cover the screen. Cover the screen.